So today's question is, in which case is the number of molecules maximum? So let's say there's 18 ml of water. So 18 ml of water, that means that 18 gram by 18 ml, that means it's 1 mole. So 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, right? Okay, let's say for the second part, 0.18. That simply means that we have 6.022 into 10 raised to power 21 molecules. So this can't be because the first one is more. Let's see for the third one, 10 to the power minus 3 mole of water. This is also pretty simple because we know that means that 6.022 into 10 raised to power 20 molecules. So this also can't be. And for the last part, 0.0024 liter of water vapor at 1 atm and 273 K. Here we can use N equals to PV by RT. So that means that pressure is 1. The volume given to us is 0.0224 upon R. We know the value of R is 0.0821 into the temperature, which is given to 73 K. So the value of N is 10 to the power minus 4 moles. That is also less than 10 to the power minus 3 moles. So this can't be. So our answer is 18 ml of water.